Welcome to day 12 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this lovely Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to do that, I have to find a design, print it, slice it, edit it, upload it on a daily basis here on this channel, only for the month of October. Now, if you guys are interested in what we can do here at Cosign Additive, subscribe to this channel, as well as check the link in the description box below for extruders, software, large scale prints, or even your very own industrial grade 3D printer. Today is a little bit of a special one with the release of season 2 of Chucky. I thought it'd be a really good idea to do a little mini Chucky bust. Now, this was attempted a few days ago but failed and was on a smaller scale, so I ended up doing a different print instead until I could get a better grasp of the slicing process. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's print. And here we have it, a nice mini Chucky bust. Now, the original one was literally about this big, but the details that was needed I don't think would have lasted, so we had to increase the size a little bit more. But it's not too shabby. You guys would like to see a bust size version, a bigger size version, maybe a little bit more realistic size version. Now, this one probably might be able to be done on the Ender 3. Now, in order for us to do a large scale version of this, the best way y'all can let us know is by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down below. And that's all we have for today's video. Make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel, as we are doing daily uploads for the month of October. And what do you guys think tomorrow's print will be? You can also leave that down in the comment section below.